In this video, we're going to talk about styles and tags. We're going to have a little bit of an activity playing around and testing our skills on styles and tags. So first one we're going to look at is styles, and you'll find it again under our home banner up the top here, and you'll find it here next to your tags list. Now you can see I've got a few default headings here, and then I've got a few other options as well. So we're going to have a little activity at changing some of these to specific styles. So the first one we have is a quote. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing by Walt Disney. So I'm going to highlight all of that information. I'm going to hit on the styles option and going to go down and find quote. And that's then going to, you see that's changed my font slightly and the size of it to put it into the form of a quote. Next one I'm going to do is the weather cycle, but I'm going to do it in the form of a page title. So this is going to be similar to what we see up the top of our pages. Again, going up to find page title, you can see it gives you an idea of what these are going to look like before you do it. It's quite large text. You can see that's got a whole lot bigger. I'm going to get you guys to have an opportunity to crack at part 2 explanation in creating heading number 2. Now we're going to have a play with tags. So tags are really good for creating to-do lists and creating different keys for different things within your work. So you've got to-do lists, important questions, you can create numbers, and you can see I've already created a few tags here, as you can create your own tags from more than the list that it actually gives you. So firstly, this one, we're just going to look at the to-do list. So your teacher has asked you to read an example, brainstorm some ideas, draw your idea, and then explain your idea. So I'm going to turn that into a to-do list by highlighting all of it and hitting the to-do option. You can see that brings a little box up next to my list. And as I do them, I can then tick them off as I go, which helps me to work out where I'm up to and what I still need to do. And the last one we're going to do is the star, which comes under the important option. So your question is, place a star next to the correct answer. Which animals live in the ocean? Whales, pretty sure they live in the ocean, so I'm going to hit the star button next to whales. Dolphins, I've seen those in the ocean as well. Cats, I don't think so. Narwhals, definitely. And I'm yet to see a reindeer that lives in the ocean. So there you go, a quick review on styles and tags for OneNote for Mac.